Good morning! So, gagawa tayo ng coffee. Ayan. Binili namin ito kahapon doon sa Palacio. Hotel Palacio. 5:30 pesos. Kukuha lang tayo ng scissors. Gawa tayo ng fresh coffee. Medyo ano na to, siraw. Natanggal na siya. Sobrang tagal na to. 1 decade na ata to yung scissors na to eh. So, we're gonna make coffee. Ayan, yung coffee natin. Wala pa akong hilamos. Maganda rin yung coffee sa ano. May benefits din yung coffee, especially when you drink it in the morning. Yan, look at that. Kita nyo? So, I'm gonna put it here. Right here. I'm just gonna put 3 scoops right here. Only 3. Just 3 scoops. 3
scoops.
Okay, and fill up the water.
Fill up the water.
And that's it.
That's it.
Alright. 2.
Brown. You got the brown filter still there?
Yes. 3 scoops.
3. Are those heaping? Heaping?
Not yet. And then we're gonna fill it up with the water. Here. Fill it up with the water. So, ayan, water. Meron na tayong water dito. Ooh. You just have to turn it on. There you go. Okay, that's it. We'll be right back. Bango. Coffee. Pampa-energy.